In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp Gantt View. To get started, log into ClickUp and open your workspace. Once you're inside, go to the left sidebar and open the space, folder or list that contains the tasks you want to work with. This is important because the Gantt view will only show the tasks that exist in the location you currently have open. At the top of the page, click Gantt. If you don't see Gantt available right away, click the plus sign for View and then select Gantt from the list of available views. After that, the Gantt view will open and display your scheduled tasks on a timeline. This timeline format is useful because it helps you see not only what tasks exist, but also when they start, when they end, and how they relate to the overall project schedule. Before you do too much in this view, make sure your tasks have both start dates and due dates. Without those dates, ClickUp can't place the tasks correctly on the Gantt chart. If a task doesn't appear where you expect, this is one of the first things you should check. To change a task's schedule, simply drag the taskbar to a different date on the timeline. This moves the task while keeping its duration intact. If you need to change the length of the task instead, drag either end of the taskbar. This lets you adjust the start date or due date directly from the chart, which can be much faster than editing each task manually. You can also create dependencies between tasks when one task needs to be completed before another can begin. This is especially helpful for projects with a clear sequence, because it makes the timeline easier to understand and helps prevent scheduling conflicts. As you work, use the timeline controls to move between dates and adjust the timescale. Depending on what you need to review, you can view your project by days, weeks, months, or other available periods. A closer view is useful for detailed planning, while a wider view helps you understand the bigger picture. Take time to review the Gantt chart so you can see task schedules, durations, and dependencies together in one place. This makes it much easier to track progress and spot timing issues early. As your project moves forward, continue updating your tasks. The Gantt view will automatically reflect those scheduling changes, helping you keep your timeline current and accurate. Thanks for watching.